A whopper of a deal in the making. Yes, you knew that was coming. Burger King, the fast food chain that was taken private a few years ago, will be going public in the U.S. once again. It's a bit of a convoluted deal. The new parent company of Burger King is going to be having this transaction with a London-based investment firm, and through that is how Burger King will eventually start trading on the New York Stock Exchange again. It's an interesting time for Burger King to be reemerging as a public company. That's because it's no longer the number 2 burger chain in the U.S. Wendy's actually topped Burger King in sales, according to the most recent data for 2011, and that could be a troublesome sign for Burger King as it seeks to go public once again. Burger King, obviously a great brand name. Everyone knows the King, even though he's creepy in those bizarre commercials that they've been running the past few years. You gotta wonder though, is Burger King going to be able to compete not just for consumers, but investors? There are many fast food / casual dining chains out there that are doing quite well, and they probably all look a little bit more appetizing, so to speak, than Burger King. McDonald's, clearly the leader here, but you've also got McDonald's spin-off Chipotle, which has been a phenomenal success since it got spun off from McDonald's. Wendy's, as I mentioned, they've been struggling a little bit, but taking the number 2 crown from Burger King, if you will, is a feather in their cap. You also have other companies like Panera. You have companies like Buffalo Wild Wings. Yeah, they're not pure competitors to Burger King and McDonald's per se, but they're all doing really well. They all are competing for that same consumer dollar of relatively cheap food. And then finally, you've got the company that probably may not be most well known to investors when you hear the parent name, but very well known consumers, and that's Yum Brands. They own KFC, they own Taco Bell, they own Pizza Hut. That stock has been amazing over the past few years, and a lot of it has to do with China. Yum has had a big, successful push into China, particularly with the KFC brand, and that's something that I think investors are going to be looking at with Burger King. Can Burger King do what McDonald's and what Yum has done globally, going beyond the U.S., becoming a huge success internationally? If they can do that, then maybe the stock does well once it goes public again. If not, then I don't know, they might just get flame broiled, those shareholders.